Haley Cooprider, the Elementary Literacy Coordinator for Wight County Schools, back with another Coop's Quick Clips. The Virginia Literacy Act was recently passed to improve literacy outcomes for all students, and one of the ways we will do that is through the Student Reading Plan. Student reading plans detail the targeted intervention services your child will receive for the duration of the school year. Student reading plans will be developed through the partnership of families, educators, and reading specialists. Remember when we talked about our assessments identifying students who are at risk for reading difficulty? Well, if a student is identified as high risk for reading difficulty on the VALS screener in grades K through 3, or is in need of a Tier 3 reading intervention in grades 4 and 5 on our fall screening data, students will require a student reading plan. Families are encouraged to participate in the development of your student's reading plan, and a copy will be supplied upon completion. On the student reading plan, parents will find out information about the specific areas of reading difficulty their child is experiencing, a description of the intervention plan, and details for how we will track progress throughout the intervention. The plan will also include a section for family resources, where families will find at-home suggestions that are aligned with specific areas of need. If you have any questions on the student reading plan, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Happy reading!